All right, number 6 says find the volume of the rectangular fish tank. Explain your thinking. So we've got a height, we've got a length, we've got a width. We know that our formula for volume is length times width times height, so we multiply those together. Hopefully we put the correct unit on them, and we explain how we did that. Most of us did great on that. If you didn't do great, typically it's because you were not very precise in your multiplication. You did not use all of the dimensions, you multiplied incorrectly, there was a precision error, or perhaps you neglected to place a unit on your volume. Anyway, most of these are just small errors. Our bigger errors happened with part B. It said if the fish tank is completely filled with water and the 900 cubic centimeters are poured out, how high will the water be? Give your answer in centimeters and show your work. Notice they are not asking, hey, how much water is left? They're asking how high the water will be. They're asking the height is changed. Let's take a look at this in a different case. Say we got the same aquarium and this one is filled all the way to the top. You can see it's filled all the way to the top. The water is all the way to the top. This is full. This is the volume from part A that you computed because it's all the way to the top. Every dimension, length, width, height is all the way filled. Now this one is not filled. Now notice this dimension is still the same. It has not changed. This dimension is still the same. It has not changed. When they poured water out, the only thing that's different is the height. Now the height is shorter than it is over here. There's not as much water in it, so the water doesn't go up as high. Now notice your dimensions in the original one. The original height is only 20 centimeters. That means if it has decreased in size, we've poured some out, the water is lower, our answer has to be less than 20. Now there's still water in, and its length and width is the same. We have less volume though. So you're going to have to figure out how much water is left. So we've got our A, we've poured out 900 centimeters cubed. So the volume of this tank compared to this tank should be 900 centimeter cubes less than what we started with. Okay? Our base has not changed at all. So the amount of cubes that are needed to make one layer in the tank is not going to be any different in our partially empty tank than it was in our full tank. Okay. The number of layers, though, if we think about this like a layer cake, the number of layers of those cubes is less here than it is here. Good luck in solving this.